Recently, I came across this YouTube video claiming that you can make $600 per day watching videos. And it claims that every video you watch, you can get $1 to $3. So in this video, I'm going to try this method and see if it can make me money. And also I'm going to share with you how long it takes me to earn that money and show you the old results you need to know if this is working or not. Hey, I'm Hess and welcome to my channel. Here, I create content for you and show you the ways to make money online and also help you to become a hero in your money-making journey. In this video, it says that instead of wasting time hours and hours scrolling, you can start watching short YouTube videos and make up to $3 per video. So if we watch like 20 videos, we get $60. And also when we make $7 on this website, we can request a cash out and transfer the money to your PayPal account or get it as a Bitcoin or send it to your usual bank account. So I'm going to show you all the step-by-step process and see if this method is making me money so that you can make money as well. If you're interested in this type of videos, please leave me a comment so that I can make more videos like this in future. The website is called gg2u.org. And here we can see a website that looks really good. So here also we can see that it gives rewards for taking survey, playing games, watching videos, and it also pays us through PayPal, Bitcoin, or e-gift cards. I think also here it says that there's a $1 sign up. Okay, now I go and start putting my info here and make an account and see how it goes. Okay, now I sign up here and save the password, but nothing happens, I don't know why. Nothing shows me here that I'm registered. I'm using the Chrome browser and maybe this is because of my browser. So I'm going to use Safari and check this to see if it works or not. Now I go to the Safari and try it with the Safari and just try to make an account and see how it goes. All right, it's done. Yeah, now I have an account. Welcome to GG2U. And here it says that we are a very high paying source for survey rules and offer wall offers because we'll usually give you 65 to 85% payout rates on them. Okay, now I'm in the dashboard area and at the top area, it says that here I have $1, it was given to me as a welcome bonus. And in order to cash out, I need to get $6 more to reach $7 to be able to cash out the money. So that's the way this website works. So here I go to the video section. So here it says that for every 200 video points that you get, you will receive a silver token which will add $1 to $3 to your account. We just want to see if it equals the claim from the video that I showed you earlier that for every video you watch, you get $1 to $3. But here it says that for every 200 video points, you will get $1 to $3. There is a section here that said if you don't have a Pixel Point account, now required. So I click here to join the Pixel Point. Now I've joined the Pixel Point here and then I go back and I go to this section here which says Poppy Bear TV and I click Start Earning. It just takes me to another website, Poppy Bear TV, and again it needs to be a member of this website, so I have to sign up again for this website. And here it shows me that my hideout points, the points that I have here is 0. So what we are going to do, we're going to watch these videos and see if these points go up and we can later convert them to dollars. So there is an ad being played now in the beginning of the video. So here the video is finished and we've got 5 points here for one video. And after it's finished, it continued to the next video itself. But in the second video, the ad didn't load up and it was just making no money for me. I just watched the whole video without making any points. So I'm going to redeem this now, but it says you can't redeem until you have 7 points. So this is already giving me a red flag because of many things that doesn't make sense here. So I continued watching these videos and I tried to gain different points for different videos from a range from 2.5 points to 10 points for some videos, depending on the number of ads which were played on them. After just watching 8 to 9 videos, I just got like 37 points. And here, I'm still needing a lot of points to reach 200 points, so I'm just gonna continue watching. So I will just leave it here on my computer just for 2 hours because I have to go out to do my shopping and also to go to gym. And then I come back and see how many points are gained here for me. All right, I'm back after 2 hours, and now let's go and check my computer screen. So as you can see here, I have gained like 137 points, after 2 hours of just videos playing on its own. But I realized that this video, the ads are not loading up. So I don't know, maybe after a time that is on autoplay, the videos don't show up any ads and don't give you any money. I'm going to stop this video here and go back to the dashboard area, and I go to the video section again. So here I will choose the second one, the game videos. And here there is a website that I have to again register in order to be able to get points. So I also subscribe to the channel here. And after registration, the whole balance that I have from before is shown here, 137 points. So because the ads are showing up here, so it shows me that it's going to give me points. All right, again, I leave it for another 2 hours and then come back. And I hope that after this time, it's going to be 200 so that I can be able to redeem it and make some money. All right, it's been another 2 hours, and now I have 257 points by just the videos being played here. And what I do is that I want to redeem these points, and in order to be able to make a few dollars as the website claimed. Okay, so I just click this button, redeem, and it comes to this page and it says that start redeem process. So I'm going to click this button here, and it tells me to select a linked account. So here I choose my linked account, which is GG2U. Okay, what? It tells me here that my 250 points on Hideout Points are converted to only 28 video points. That's ridiculous. But still, there is a lot until 200 points to be able to redeem the money. This is the big red flag to me because it's been almost 4 hours and I'm just getting 28 points for watching like maybe 100 videos, I think. I'm really feeling frustrated here because I haven't been able to earn money after this whole time, after 4 hours. And it still tells me that until 200 points, I have to gain like 170 points more. I know that a lot of people come here and watch, and they're not gonna just reach the threshold of even getting $1. So they are making a lot of money and we are just wasting our time. So guys, I don't really recommend this website, and it's just a waste of time. But instead, you can try other methods that are much easier to earn money. So now if I go back to my dashboard area here, so I go to this top section, stats log, and just here it says to view your earnings. You can see that there is the video points that I have gained, just like I have 28 points here, and I'm not able to just get anything from these points because they are not 200 points to be able to get just $1 to $3. So maybe it would be just like 2 days for 24 hours, just the videos get played all the time. So maybe I can get 200 points and just redeem the money. So this is completely different from what was claimed on the video. And I don't really recommend to you to spend this amount of time for this little money that it claims to give. And I really recommend trying different other ways that you can make money online. Thank you very much, guys, for seeing this video, and thank you for all your support.